The Cochlear Wireless TV Streamer is great for households where more than one person may be watching TV. The benefit of the TV streamer is that you can hear the TV directly through your sound processor at your own comfortable volume, while others in the room can hear the TV at their preferred volume or not at all. The first step is to pair your TV streamer to your Nucleus 8 sound processor. Think of pairing as introducing your TV streamer to your Nucleus 8. Like an introduction, it only needs to happen one time. First, you'll need to plug in the TV streamer to an outlet for power. Remove your processor, turning it off, then press the pairing button on the back of the TV streamer twice. We press it twice, so if you've already paired your Cochlear Wireless Mini Microphone 2 Plus, this ensures they will be on different channels and not overwrite one another. The TV streamer will flash orange when it's in pairing mode. Next, turn your Nucleus 8 back on. A blue light on your processor will indicate that pairing has been successful. Now that your processor is paired to your TV streamer, the next step is to connect this end of the stereo RCA cable into the TV streamer, and these two ends into the back of the TV or cable box. Or, if you're using the optical cable, remove the plastic tips, then connect one end to the TV streamer and the other end into the back of the TV or cable box. You only need one of these options, and your connection process will vary based on the type of TV or cable box setup you have, so it may take some testing on your end. A solid orange light on the TV streamer will appear when the correct cable has been plugged in and the TV streamer is receiving audio from the TV when the TV is on. If you have a soundbar or other external speakers connected to your TV, an optical cable splitter may be required. To start and stop streaming through the TV streamer, you have a few options. Through the Cochlear Nucleus Smart app, go to Audio Sources, then select the TV streamer icon to start streaming to the TV streamer. Tap Off to stop streaming. You can start streaming by pressing and holding the button on your processor. For the purposes of this video, we will need to press and hold the button again to cycle to the TV streamer, which was paired in channel 2. To stop streaming, press the button one time. If you use the remote control, you can press and hold the silver button until the accessory icon appears. For the purposes of this video, we will need to press and hold the button again to cycle to the TV streamer, which was paired in channel 2. To stop streaming, press the button one time. Now you can customize your volume experience by turning it up or down, either on the TV streamer or through the Nucleus Smart app. For troubleshooting or additional help and support, check out the support.cochlear.com videos or by calling Cochlear to be connected with our device support team.